In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance a scanned PDF and run OCR in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you've ever opened a scanned PDF and found the text blurry, crooked, or impossible to search, this workflow will fix that. We'll improve clarity and make the text selectable and searchable, all using tools built into Acrobat Pro DC. Start by opening your PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Make sure you're using the Pro version, since these features aren't available in the basic reader. Once your document is open, go to the Tools tab at the top. If you don't see it right away, there's a search box in the Tools area. Type Scan and OCR and select it. This workspace is designed specifically for working with scanned documents. Next, choose Enhance Scanned Document. This option prepares your file for cleanup and recognition. When the dialog opens, check the box labeled Recognize Text, OCR. OCR stands for Optical Character Recognition, and it converts the image of your text into real, selectable characters. While you're here, click the Settings or Filters option. This is where you control how the enhancement behaves. In the settings, increase text sharpening. A moderate boost helps letters look crisp without creating halos or jagged edges. If your scan is already high quality, a lighter touch is best. Enable Deskew if the page looks tilted. This automatically straightens slight rotation from scanning. If the page is already straight, you can leave it off. Also, disable excessive compression. Heavy compression can introduce artifacts and make small text muddy, especially after sharpening. If file size is a concern, you can always compress later with gentler settings once you're satisfied with readability. While you're in OCR settings, confirm the document language so Acrobat can recognize characters more accurately. When everything looks good, click Enhance. Acrobat will process each page. This can take a moment on large files or complex scans. When it finishes, try selecting some text with your cursor. You should be able to highlight, copy, and search it now. Zoom in to check the edges of letters. If they look over-sharpened or still too soft, you can undo and adjust the settings for a better balance. Finally, save the PDF. It's a good idea to save a new copy so you keep your original scan as a backup. Give it a name that indicates it's enhanced and OCR ready. That's it. Your document should now look cleaner, read easier, and be fully searchable. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get professional results from your scanned PDFs.